guys, I'm at Chromebook Cookies. Let's go! I've got my cookies from Chromebook Cookies, as you can see, and my message says, "Hello, David," smiley face. That is so awesome. Okay, now all we have to do is open this, but I'm afraid we're gonna have to rip this. Ta-da! And the look of this, so creamy. I can't wait to try one of them. Specifically, my favorite is this absolutely delicious chocolate chip chocolate dough cookie. As you can see, everything is chocolate in it, except a few other stuff parts, but other than that, it's completely chocolate. That's one thing. That's one of my favorite things about the cookie. That's actually pretty good. That is so delicious. I can't believe this. This is 10 out of 10. The chocolate, the cream inside makes it so much better. Maybe cookies with all chocolate aren't that bad after all. Okay, now let's try the second cookie, which is, oh my gosh, it's like a muffin more than a cookie. Whoa, let's take a bite. And it's pretty good, especially, wait, that's ice cream. No, it isn't ice cream, it's cream. It's so delicious. That is the best so tasty. I already took 2 bites out of it. And cream is very good as well. I recommend taking the cream with the bread because it's so much better. Okay, next we have our third cookie, which is another cookie base with some jello and with a little topping on top, which looks very delicious. Again, it's not that good, but now let's see how that's so good. 7 out of 10. And by the way, if you're wondering, that one was 10 out. Both of these were 10 out of 10 because they were so delicious. Now, as you can see here, this is our fourth cookie. So let's try it. This whole entire thing was cream. This is a muffin. Look, this is cream. And this is some cookie pie and has a little lime in the middle. Isn't that amazing? So delicious. This cookie pie is amazing. As you can see here, that was actually a 9 out of 10. That was so delicious. The only one thing that I don't like is that it tricked me. I thought this wasn't cream. And for some reason, when I took a bite out of it, it was cream all along. As you can see, Crumble Cookies are one of the best cookies you can ever go to. This restaurant is one of the best restaurants, so I definitely recommend going to this restaurant. As you can see, the donuts are very delicious, and when your guest or friends or family or whoever opens it, they're going to see definitely delicious, awesome cookies inside this box. So another cool feature is that you can write your own text on it. For example, this one says, "Hello David," and my name is David. You can write their name here and then just say, "Hello David," smiley face, something like that, and they'll read the text after that, unfortunately cutting it and getting it out, and they'll see those very delicious donuts. So whoever you want to make happy or make up their day or make them happy at least, you can send them this Crumble Cookies, add a message, and everything will be all right as you send this. So now you know about this amazing restaurant and you should definitely buy it. Now that's it for the video. Bye.